start with our new block, that is block number 23, complex sentences. Complex sentences means what, children? Complex sentences shows the relationship between complete idea and incomplete idea. What? Complex sentence shows the relationship between complete idea and incomplete idea. Complex sentence means it shows the relationship between complete idea and incomplete idea. Okay children, just now I have explained you what are complex sentences, right? What are complex sentences? It shows the relationship between complete idea and incomplete idea. Okay. Now today's topic is conventions. We are doing conventions. You remember we learned conventions by using this funny words and voice. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the convention words. And these conventions are used to join only two sentences, two simple sentences, right? This is what you have learned in your previous classes about conventions. There are few more conventions, children. They are called as subordinating conventions. Subordinating conventions. Now, what are these subordinating conventions? Subordinating conventions are used to join any two complex sentences. Subordinating conventions are used to join any two complex sentences, whereas only conventions are used to join two simple sentences, right? But subordinating conventions are used to join two complex sentences. I am going to show you the examples of the words which we use are under subordinating conventions. Just have a look, children. See here, children, I have written few subordinating conventions used in different contexts. Now I will show you individually, okay? If the sentence is in contrast form, that is when you are writing, when the sentence is in showing the differences between two complex sentences, then we are going to use these subordinating conventions. Although, though, after, as, before. There are few more contrast subordinating conventions. When you read the sentences, then you will understand which type of subordinating conventions can be used in place of contrast content. Okay. If the sentence is related to time or place, these are few subordinating conventions used in that context. When, while, as soon as, after, before. After, before we can use it in contrast also. When you are comparing also, you can, when you are contrasting also, you can use after, before. Okay. Look here, children, in cause and effect. When the sentence is based on cause and effect. Cause and effect means what? If something happens, the effect will be there, the impact will be there. For example, if any natural disaster happens, that is a cause, right? What will be the impact? That is called as effect. For every action there will be opposite reaction, equal and opposite reaction, same like that, cause and effect. In this type of context, you will be using because, if, unless, as a result of subordinating conventions. Okay, I am going to show you examples. See here, children, I am showing you two examples in a tabular form. sentence where I am going to write the full sentence, and in the second sentence I am going to show what is an incomplete idea in the sentence. Then which is the word we are joining, which we are using to join the sentence, and what is the relationship of this word. Okay. When the rain stops, the water will pull away from the edge. See the sentence, children. When the rain stops, the water will pull away from the edge is the full complete sentence. In this, if I write the sentence as only when the rain stops, if I write only when the rain stops, it comes under incomplete idea. Without reading this, if you read only this, can it make any sense? No. It is an incomplete idea. So to make a complete sentence, I am going to use the word when, and I will join the sentence to make it a complete sentence. Okay. And this is called, the word which we join to make complete the sentence, that is called as a subordinate conjunction. And this subordinate conjunction is used in the relation of time. Okay. See the second example. If you follow my advice, you will live for a long time. What is an incomplete idea if I write only if you follow my advice? Or you will live for a long time. When you will live for a long time? If you follow my advice. Here this is an incomplete idea, and to make it a complete sentence, I am joining two complete idea and incomplete idea by a subordinating conjunction, that is if, and this if subordinate conjunction is used in the relation of cause and effect. What is cause and effect, children? It is a equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is a reaction, we say, right? Same like that, for every cause there will be an effect. Okay. Okay, open your workbooks, children. Block number 23, S1. Write today's date as 9/2/2021. 9/2/2021. S1 conjunctions. See the first question, children. Underline the complete idea and draw a box around the incomplete idea in the sentences. Circle the conjunction. So what you are going to do? You are going to underline complete idea. First you will read the sentence. In the sentence, what is a complete idea you are going to underline. And you are going to draw a box for incomplete idea and circle the conjunction in that sentence. Okay. Don't forget, children, in conjunctions, what you have to do? You have to use a comma. And here when you are doing this subordinate conjunctions, if the incomplete idea comes first, then a comma is used between the two ideas. If the incomplete idea comes first, a comma is used between the two ideas. And if the complete idea comes first, no comma is used. We are not supposed to use comma at that time if the complete idea comes first. Okay. See the B bit, children. It started pouring heavily when Mohit stepped out of his friend's house. It started pouring. Pouring means raining. It started pouring heavily when Mohit stepped out of his friend's house. First you are going to see what is a complete idea. In this sentence, what is a complete idea first? It started pouring heavily is a complete idea. Mohit stepped out of his friend's house is the incomplete idea. Then you are going to draw a box for incomplete idea. And here two complete idea and incomplete idea are there. And we are joining these two ideas by using the conjunction when. By using the conjunction when. Understood? Now see C bit. there will be no classes today because the teachers have a full day meeting. What is the complete idea here? This is the complete idea. There will be no classes today. And incomplete idea is the teachers have a full day meeting. And these two this complex sentence is joined with the conjunction because. See here children, the complete idea is there in the first, so no need to put a comma over here, okay. Now coming to D bit, I will give all my story books to you if you give me all of yours. In this, what is a complete idea? I will give all my story books is a complete idea. I will give all my story books to you is a complete idea. You give me all of yours is an incomplete idea. And you are joining these two complete and incomplete ideas by using the conjunction if. So you are going to underline the complete idea and circle incomplete idea. Draw a box for incomplete idea and circle the conjunction. E bit, grandmother was walking in the park while her grandson was running. In this, what is the complete sentence, complete idea? Grandmother was walking in the park is a complete idea. Her grandson was running is an incomplete idea. Okay. And they have used to join these two sentences, subordinate conjunction is while. Coming to F bit, after you complete your homework, you are free to go and play in the park. See, after you complete your homework is an incomplete idea. So, circle it. You are free to go and play in the park is the complete idea. Now here, the incomplete idea has come at the first, so they have put a comma. And what is the conjunction they have used? After. Coming to question number 2, choose appropriate conjunctions from the box to complete the sentences. Here they have given few words in the box. As soon as, when, although, if, because, after, while. You are going to use these conjunctions and complete these blanks. First one they have done for you, just check. She is an excellent dancer, although she has never won a dance competition. C B bit, I saw no children in the park. Dash, I went there in the afternoon. So, here this is related to time. So, I saw no children in the park when I went there in the afternoon. She was crying. Dash, she accidentally fell off her bicycle. She was crying because she accidentally fell off her bicycle. D bit, dash, you want to attend the dance class? Fill up the registration form. If you want to attend the dance class, fill up the registration form. E bit, she went out for grocery shopping. Dash, he came home. She went out for grocery shopping. Here, when conjunction can be used, and as soon as also it can be used. So you can write both. Any one you can write, as soon as or when. F bit, dash, it was very cold. Sanjit was wearing a thin shirt. Dash, it was very cold. Sanjit was wearing a thin shirt, although complete the remaining sentences, children. Okay. Third bit, third question. Question number 3 is use the conjunction as soon as and although in sentences of your own. You are going to make 2 sentences by using as soon as and although. Okay, complete your workbook, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.